Hi guys, we received this programmable LED matrix panel for viewing purposes, and it's a really nice one because, well, first I already opened it. It comes with some precaution instructions and the user guide. You can connect it to your cell phone with an app and Bluetooth, and you can see you can add text or different patterns. You can make some graffiti, add some animations, or put it with music mode, okay? Which is really nice. This is the LED matrix panel. It's very slim, which is nice. And this is the cable. You can connect it to your car with the cigarette port and the USB charger. This goes in here like this, or wherever you want to put it. It has this double-sided tape so you can paste it, and this button. And in here we've got more of this. Okay, so I'm gonna connect it to my computer to see how it looks. Okay, it turns on automatically. First thing it says is thank you for your order. It's nice, it's flexible, as you can see. And with this, I can change the way of the movement however I want it. Look, it has different modes, which is really nice. And I'm going to connect it to the application. I've already installed it upon my cell phone, so let's go. So as you can see, I've already connected and I selected this one, and it's really nice, very easy to connect to your cell phone with the application. It detects it automatically and you just press, okay? I'd select this design, which I like a lot. It's good, and some thumbs up, which is nice. It has different colors, which look really good, and I will really recommend it. You can set different designs if you want it. It's very bright. I set it with that brightness. You can lower it if you want, but I like a lot how it looks. I will really recommend it. I like it a lot. It's very nice. It's actually a bit hypnotic to look at it, but it's really good how it looks. It's good.